How to change language in Adobe Illustrator. In order to do this, we have to go up here to where it says Edit. And from here, we're going to go to Preferences. And you can either click on Preferences right away or just select one of these. In this case, we want to look for a hyphenation. And here where it says Default Language, we're going to choose our different language. There's a variety of different languages you can choose from. I can go with something like Spanish, for example. And once you've chosen your language, you just have to press OK. And as you can see, it didn't change anything yet. In order to see the changes, you have to close Adobe Illustrator and open it up again. So make sure all your files are safe, and that's when you can close it and reopen it, and it should display in the language you've chosen. And that's how you change the language in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.